I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start VMware course classes from our first video installation of ESXi host. So let's start the video. Before that, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like the video if you found the content is better, and share the video to someone who want to learn, and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I put any new video you can easily find it. Okay, so let's start the video. Here I'm booting the this machine with the ESXi ISO. Okay, so it's booting now. It's loading some initial information. Here you can see it's showing. Uh, you can see the server hardware information are showing, like 12 GB RAM, CPU, Xeon processor, and this is VMware ESXi 7.0.3. Okay, so now enter the continue the installation, F11 for accept and continue. It is showing 40 GB of hard disk. Now we will select here enter. US English keyboard. We have to set the password here. It should be 7 character minimum. Confirm password. Enter to continue. F11, press F11 for start the installation. It will take time. It's totally depend on server hardware, which hardware you are using. Okay. If your system is fast and you are using Xeon processor or any latest build, then it will definitely uh, go faster. Yeah, it's about to complete. Here we have to press enter to reboot this machine. Now it's rebooting. Now server is up. Now we have to customize the system. We have to put the IP address, manual IP address. Now it's taken, it has been taken IP address from DHCP. So first we have to press F2 for customize the system and log in with root and the credential which we have placed during the installation. Okay, we have password already we have set. So now we will set the IP address manually. It is showing DHCP. So we have to put manually IP here. So I'm just editing and yeah, 71. And we will disable the IP version 6 because we are not using IP version 6 in our environment. And here we have to put the DNS. So it has been taken the DNS default from the router. So we have to set DNS here. We have our own DNS. I'm putting the IP address here of my DNS, which which is available in my environment. And alternate, we can put here blank. And host name, we have to set the host name for this ESXi host. So I'm putting the host name also. Press enter to OK. Why to reboot? Whenever we do any setting, we have to reboot the ESXi host. It will automatically ask. Now it has been rebooted. I have fast forwarded this video. Okay. Now again we will try to log in. It's called DCUI, Direct Console User Interface. We can customize the settings of the ESXi host from here. Okay. So here we have set the IP address and DNS and host name. Okay. Sometimes if you need to restart the management network, you can restart the management network from here also. Okay. We are going to test management network. Yeah, it will ping all the IP addresses. Yeah, it's working. We can check the logs from here also. If we are required to check logs, we can check the log here. You can see here. Okay, here it's all. It will show all the logs. Okay. So now again, I'm logging to the system and here from here in troubleshooting option we can disable enable the cell access and bash cell also. For security reason, by default, it always been disabled for security reason. Whenever we required, we can enable it, and you can use PuTTY or any SSH client to access this ESXi host. Okay, so here we can enable the bash cell also, and we can directly enter into the cell directly to this ESX host without using any PuTTY client in any SSH client. Okay, here you can see. So here we can set the timed out timing. After 10 seconds, it would be timeout. This window has been disappear. So here the system information has been completed and we have made initial system setting for this ESXi host. I hope you have understand the installation process of this ESXi host and you can easily install this install ESXi host if you get a chance, or you can create a home lab also and for practicing this course. Okay, so thank you for watching, friends. Please subscribe my channel if you have watched, and like the video and share this video to someone who want to learn the VMware. Okay, thanks, guys, thanks a lot.